Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We're going to do a walkthrough of a Denray 4x6 foot downdraft sanding table. This machine uses filters. Basically you have two filters on the side, you have a dustbin below. There's a small air tank on the left hand side of the machine. And when you hit the button, it is going to put a burst of air through those filters and drop the dust into the dustbin. We're going to start it real fast. This unit runs at about 74 dB, so it's nice and quiet. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.